Now students, we will do question number 7 of this exercise. In 7 question, here are given the multiply questions. Question A to E. We will do question number A. 18 centimeter 9 millimeter multiply by 6. We will do multiply 6 into 18 centimeter 9 millimeter. We will see in notebook. Question number A of question 7 is here 18 centimeter 9 millimeter multiply by 6. We will write here 18 and we will write here point after centimeter, because we will separate centimeter and millimeter by point. So we will write here point between centimeter and millimeter, and now after point we will write here the millimeter 9 and multiply by 6. Now we will multiply. When we multiply, it will be 113.4. So before point it will be centimeter and after point it will be millimeter. So answer will be 113 centimeter 9 millimeter. Now question number B, 125 meter 50 centimeter multiply by 7. Same as we will write here meter 125 and centimeter 50, and in these numbers we will write here point between these numbers to separate meter and centimeter, and the multiply by 7. When we multiply, it will be 878 meter 50 centimeter. Now question number C, 23 kilometer 142 meter multiply by 9. We will same as 23.142 multiply by 9. So it will be 208 kilometer 278 meter. So question D and question E of question 7 you will do yourself in your notebook. Now we will do question number 8, 300 centimeter 6 millimeter divided by 6. Here are given the divide. So we will divide in question number A 6 by, we will divide it 300 centimeter 6 millimeter by 6. We will see this question in notebook. Question number 8, A question this is 300 centimeter 6 millimeter divided by 6. We will divide it 300.6 divided by 6. We will write here point to separate centimeter and millimeter. Now we will divide 6 5 ja 30. It will be not. So now we will put here 0 and 6 0 ja 0. So it will be not. Now the point here, so we will write here point after 50. Now we will put here 6, and now we will divide 6 by 6. 6 1 ja 6. So it will be answer 50.1 equals to 50 centimeter 1 millimeter. Now question number B, 243 meter 28 centimeter divided by 8. So we will write here 243.28 divided by 8. When we divide it, it will be 30 meter 41 centimeter. We will see 8 3 ja 24. When we subtract 24 from 24, it will be 0. We will put here 3. Now 3 is not divisible by 8, so we will put here 2 also, it will be 32, but before we write here 2, we will write here 0 in quotient. Now we will write here point also and write 8. 8 4 ja wo 8 sorry, it will be 32. Now we will divide it 32 by 8. 8 4 ja 32. It will be 0. Now we will write here 8, and now we will divide it 8 by 8. 8 1 ja 8. So the answer is 30.41. 30 meter 41 centimeter. Now we will see question number C. Question number C is 81 kilometer 549 meter divided by 9. We will write here 81.549 divided by 9. So we will divide it first 81 by 9. 9 9 ja 81. So when we subtract 81 from 81, it will be 0. After 81 point, so we will write here after 9 point in quotient. Now we divided 54 by 9. 9 6 ja 54. So when we subtract 54 from 54, it will be 0. We will put here 9 and divided 9 by 9. 9 1 ja 9. So it will be answer 9.61. So the answer is So the answer is 9 kilometer 61 meter. I hope you understand well. Now students, you will do question number D and question number E of question number 8. Do yourself. You will do yourself. Now this exercise is complete. You will do this exercise in your fair notebook, neat and clean, and you will practice also of this exercise. Thank you.